So basically the start of the monsoon is a bit
Delayed.
hide and seeky. It rains, it stops, it rains, it stops. So there's a bit of sun today.
We're going to plant some bougainvillea. Mainly bougainvillea.
1 year ago we did a whole bunch of planting
Yes.
along the border of the forest. And we've loosened the soil around all that and re-fertilized. Yeah. And then we planted a few new trees. We need a lot of planting near the house. But we can't plant near the house now because everything is still kind of in movement. Meaning there's a lot of JCB work to come, the earth will need to be dug.
Yeah.
So we can only plant the far bits, which is a bit of a pain, but... So we're just planting the bougainvillea along the fence because some of the ones we planted last year didn't make it. There's the house. Down here, lots of fruit trees, guava, lychee, rambutan, and right here in front is an avocado. The guava, which is in flower, and it's fruiting. I have a couple of mangoes there, mango saplings. It's really going to come down mightily. Look at those monsoon clouds. Impressive. Okay, one more ready. Oh. Mara, rain. Okay, we might need to make a run for it now. It's really beginning to blow now.